if you are a Linux admin, VI editor is not going to leak. So you should be aware of advanced command. Let's see how a customer and a Linux admin work in real environment while changing configuration file. Hey there, can you assign the line numbers to this configuration file?
Of course, sir. Assigning the line numbers to this configuration file.
Oh, nice. So scnu is the command to assign line numbers to the configuration file. Can you go to the line number 40?
Okay, sir. Going to the line number 40.
So :40 is the command to reach line number 40. But for this, you should always be aware first what is my line number. So scnu is command to set the line number and :40 is to reach that 40 number line. Excellent. Can you show me now how many times student is written in this file?
Sure, sir.
Great. So / and then word student is used to search the word. Here you can write anything which you wanted to search in the configuration file. Can you go to the first 37 line where Linux student is written?
Okay, sir. I come.
So shift N is the command to move backward direction. If you press N, you will move in forward direction. You are currently on a last line. I wanted to change you the first letter of this word.
Okay, sir. Let's change it.
It's changed now. So just now Linux admin has used R to replace the current letter and just press Shift L to give the capital letter. There are so many highlighted words. Can you disable the highlighting?
Okay, sir. I can disable it.
NoHL is the command to disable the highlighting. Can you remove these line numbers as well for now? Okay. :SENONU is the command to disable the line numbers. If customer want them again, we can enable them again by SNU command. I'm not able to identify the Linux student word from this file. Can you help me to identify it?
Okay, sir. So user is just trying to identify Linux student.
But if you see the last line, this is in capital letter. That's why he is not able to identify. So what we need to do here, we need to do SEIC to enable. By this we have enabled the case sensitive option. Now it will be able to identify all case sensitive also, and simply we can do SENOIC also to disable the case sensitivity again. Now if you search again Linux student, it will not able to identify the last word. I wanted you to create a new file and paste these lines from 37 to 49 in that file.
Okay, sir. Let me try to do it.
I copied the file, sir. Okay, now come back to the original file where you were editing.
Okay, sir.
Hi back to the file again. So basically what admin has did here is used the edit command to edit another file while this file is open. He simply edit by giving :edit and give the new file name with location and jump into that file, and then he save by :w command that file, and again he gave the edit option, come back to original file location. Can you check the date today while inside this file?
Okay, sir. Let me check.
Here is the date. Okay, come back to the file again.
Okay, sir.
So here simply Linux admin uses : and then give the command which is date to check the date. It was temporarily come out of the file and again come back to the file while entering. Can you now paste the date output in this file?
Okay, sir. I can paste it.
Here is the output, sir. I pasted the date output here. Oh, excellent. So here Linux admin uses ! with dot option to bring the output to this file. Can you fix this configuration file, like whenever I open this file, every time it shows the line numbers by default?
Okay, sir. For that I have to come out of the file.
Okay, you can do that. Here we got, sir. Now we have the line numbers by default every time whenever we will open any configuration. Great, thank you. So here Linux admin created .vimrc file to fix this line number issue. He permanently set line numbers by creating one hidden file and decided to give a command inside that file. If you see here, he set the command inside this vimrc file. This way we can by default set the line numbers. Now I want you to search the word Linux student and change it with the student wherever it is written in the file.
Okay, sir.
Doing it. Basically Linux admin is typing here globally %s means search for Linux student everywhere in this file. The word is Linux and he wanted to change it with student. G is for globally. This will change the word to student wherever it is written. Now I want you to change only the line number 37, 40 and 43.
Okay, sir.
I am going to change, okay, you can change it. So here Linux admin is going to change all three lines that are defined by customer. So he changed Linux admin at 37, 43 and 40. Rest are same. Now I wanted you to change only the 48 line which has capital S student.
Okay, sir.
I am going to change it. So here Linux admin uses the option I as an extra, which is to ignore the cases. This way we can change the case sensitive characters as well. Now can you change all students to Linux admin, but it should ask like which one I need to change. Okay, sir. We are going to change only based on your confirmation. So Y is for changing the first word, it will change it to Linux admin. For second, if a customer asks, he can change it by Y. If we don't want to change the third student, we can press N button to no, again to N if we don't want, again to N if we don't want. And if he wanted to change all the numbers after this, then he can press A to change all the words after that. This way we can change according to our need.
Thanks, it was great to learn with you. Now you can save and come out of the file.
Thank you so much, sir.
Have a nice day.
So these were the advanced commands of Vim that are used in daily life of a Linux admin. Thank you for today. Please subscribe and comment and like my channel.